everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to delete your TikTok videos without losing likes. So in order to delete your TikTok videos but without losing likes, the only working method is making your videos private that you have uploaded. So in order to make your video private, what you're gonna do is first of all go ahead and open your TikTok application, and once you are inside the TikTok, go ahead and click on profile option. Now search for the video that you have uploaded previously, so you don't want to lose your likes. So what you're gonna do is click on that three dots and then go ahead and click on only me on the section of who can watch your videos. Doing so will make your video private on TikTok and you won't be losing any likes that you have received. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can delete your TikTok videos without losing likes. So if you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. See you again in next video. Goodbye till then.